Hey everyone! Today we're going to draw a super cute dolphin and make it colorful and shiny. Let's get started! Glitty Art English! First, I draw the body shape of the dolphin. It curves nicely like a soft wave. Then, I split the belly part with a curved line from the mouth to the tail. I draw the eye. Now I add the dorsal fin on top and the flipper on the side. Then I draw a big round ball on top of the dolphin's mouth. It looks like the dolphin is playing with it. Now it's time to color. First, I color the eye with glittery black. Then I color the lens of the eye and the belly part with glitter gray. Did you know? Dolphins are very smart animals. They can jump, play, and even talk to each other using clicks and whistles. After that, I color the whole body with glitter blue. They sleep with one eye open. Only one half of a dolphin's brain sleeps at a time, so it can watch for danger and come up to breathe. Next, I color two parts of the ball with glitter red. Finally, I color the remaining parts of the ball with glitter yellow. And that's it! Our glitter dolphin drawing is complete. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time! Bye-bye!